Well, a few of you asked for it, so here's Percy. Hello, everyone, and welcome back to BGM Reviews. Today, it's time for another installment of Thomas and Friends Wood versus Thomas Wooden Railway. So, without further ado, say we take a look at Percy. I'm going to open him up, and we're going to take a look at the back. Meet the best friend. Percy may not be a thrill seeker, but he's good-natured and always ready to help. He can be a little shy, but you couldn't ask for a better friend. He must be shy. He's rolled all the way back. Oh, I don't know what it is about that face. I think it's the tiny pupils, but Percy does not look right. Oh my. Well, they sort of messed up on the green outline. It's just green. Oh dear. Let's take a look around at Percy. See a dent in the wood already. No 3D domes. That face just, oof, yeez. Do you like the detailing here of that? I don't know what that is. I like that they have a leaf spring there. That's nice detailing. I do like that they've added just a little bit more detail, although they've simplified the shape. So before I move on, I have to go grab my Percy. That's what I want to do. Sorry about that. I'll be right back. And we're back. Now we've got two Wooden Railway Percys. One still kind of but okay. He at least has a nice gold water filler cap. I do like that. This detail is almost better sunken in back there. I like that better, to be honest. The faces are still kind of equally not so good. Don't like how small Percy was already small. Now he's been shrunken up even more. No, this is just too small. Poor Percy. Whatever happened to the times when you had correct shapes? Now Mattel doesn't even bother to make your boiler completely round. I don't understand that. Are they that lazy? I hate to bash Mattel so much, but like that, the more I look at Thomas Wood, the less and less I like it. Especially Percy. How hard is it to just make that shape? It shouldn't be flat. He's got a saddle tank. He doesn't have this. This is just a saddle. This is a saddle tank. This is just a saddle. I don't really like Percy that much. I hate to be negative in this review, but I don't. If you want a Percy, go for the 20. Actually, I'd go for the 2013, 2016 Percy. I'm still thinking about one. But it's better than this. This is just lazy. They tried simplifying it, and it didn't work out very well. Oh man, not much to say about this guy in all honesty. He just doesn't look that great. His face is creepy. He looks way too squashed. And it's just not as good. Right now, so far, I don't think there has been an engine that has been an improvement from Thomas Wooden Railway. And I doubt the trend will continue, I think that the trend will continue. I don't think there'll be an engine that's better in Thomas Wood than it is in Thomas Wooden Railway. It's just not going to happen. But I'm doing it because it seems like you guys enjoy these videos, and I've been having fun making them actually. Shows just where Mattel is going, and hopefully they realize that this is not the right way. This is not where they should be going. But we shall see. Anyways, thank you all for watching. This one's been a little bit shorter than most of the other ones, but there really hasn't been much to say. It's just Percy. We all know Percy. We all love Percy. But poor Percy. He doesn't get very good merch anymore. Though no engine really has. But thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Goodbye.